The steel, cement, oil, and gas producing Canada are essential to our economy. However, they also often require high temperature and complex chemical reactions that produce carbon emissions, or CO2. CO2 is a greenhouse gas with a significant impact on climate change. Carbon capture, utilization, and storage, or CCUS technologies, are safe and powerful tools to reduce these harmful emissions from industrial processes like these that are challenging to address. Even with cleaner energy, these emissions are tough to avoid. That's where carbon capture comes in. CCUS technologies work by capturing carbon dioxide before it's released in the air. Newer carbon dioxide removal technologies can even capture CO2 directly from the air, which is the only way to permanently address CO2 that has already been emitted. Once captured, carbon can be compressed and transported to use safely in things we're already familiar with, like concrete. And now, technology is helping us go even further, turning what could have once been pollution into cleaner fuels and chemicals. CO2 can also be stored deep underground in stable rock formations, including some of the same ones that once held oil and gas. In Canada, we have great natural geology for this, which keeps the carbon safely stored for the long term, out of our air and out of our environment. While trees are a powerful natural climate solution, planting alone won't be fast or large-scale enough to handle all of Canada's emissions, especially in sectors that are tough to decarbonize, like cement or steel. For example, to match the 6.6 million tons of CO2 that Sask Power's Boundary Dam Unit 3 has captured since 2014, we would have to plant between 220 and 440 million trees and wait for them to grow over decades to reach the full carbon absorption. That's why carbon management needs to be part of our climate solution.